People think children are ma'soom.
Yeah.
There's a difference between ma'soom and mahfuz. So ma'soom, my dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani Channel, are those individuals who cannot commit sins. For example, angels. Angels can never even think of committing sins. And then there's prophets. Prophets can never ever commit any sins. So they are classed as ma'soom. The other way is mahfuz. For example, the awliya Allah, where they possess the ability, just like the rest of us, to commit sins, or they may have even committed sins throughout their lives, but then repented and then became a wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in this case, they are classed as mahfuz, meaning they are protected. They are protected from committing sins. Similarly, children, where children, they can commit wrongdoing, but only once they become mature are their sins counted.
Through their minor days, basically, the pen is not writing anything until they become major, until they become baligh or baligha.